For over 8 decades, Jagoe homes have been built with excellence, value, and integrity. It's why we continue to earn prestigious national and regional awards for craftsmanship, quality, and design. Welcome to your beautiful dream home in Hunter's Crossing, a charming new community in Huntingburg, Indiana. This energy-smart 2-story home has all the flexibility you'll need for your growing family and offers the unique Patriot open floor plan with over 2,500 square feet of luxury living, 4 large bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. The abundant curb appeal of the classic exterior with front porch entry is matched when stepping inside the expanded foyer with columns and wainscoting detail. The 9-foot ceilings and gorgeous revwood flooring throughout the first floor give the large living room an expansive feel with plenty of natural light. This room can also be optioned as a home office or 5th bedroom with 3rd bath. You'll lose yourself in the open concept of the spacious family room with adjacent dining area and gourmet kitchen. Only the smell of baking cookies could make this area more inviting. Featuring Caledonia granite countertops, 2x6 bevel edge Revalia backsplash, and champagne bronze cabinet hardware, this upgraded kitchen's charm is matched by its functionality. There's Aristocraft 42-inch wall cabinets in Collada with crown molding, plus under-cabinet lighting and a large island with wainscoting details. The GE Slate appliance package includes a self-cleaning gas range, microwave hood combo, dishwasher, and French door refrigerator. Just off the dining area, the 12x12 covered retreat with ceiling fan is perfect for outdoor cookouts. And there's also a large walk-in pantry opposite a powder room, both located at the family entrance from the 2-car garage. Going up in the open stairway with iron balusters, you'll find the 2nd floor covered in quiet mohawk carpet. The kids will be sure to use the delightful loft area as a playroom. But you'll spend most of your time in the luxurious owner suite. The enormous bedroom is large enough for a sitting area and has a private bath that includes Aristocraft vanities with granite rectangular double bowls, 60-inch ceramic tile shower, linen cabinet, and huge walk-in closet. You'll also find 3 secondary bedrooms, each with walk-in closets, and you'll love the convenience of a 2nd full bath with cultured marble top. A Jagoe Energy Smart Home can directly reduce the number of greenhouse gases and carbon emissions that it generates. That's better for you and the environment, while also saving you thousands on utility costs in the coming years. Jagoe also provides each home with a 210 home buyer's warranty, offering 10 years of structural protection for peace of mind. The exterior is a combination of brick and vinyl siding, highlighted with classic architectural accents, with almost 2,600 square feet of modern luxury living. Talk to a Jagoe consultant today because, best of all, with Jagoe, this luxury is affordable. Jagoe, where life happens.